Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Settings, go to System, then Storage. Once there, scan usage by category so you know where space is lost. Prioritize temporary files and large apps. Click Temporary Files to open the Cleanup tool. Make selections for Recycle, Bin, Downloads, and System Cache. You're acting now, so avoid scrolling. Check the box next to files you don't need. If enabled, toggle Storage Sense to automate cleaning later. This saves manual repeats. Next, run deeper tools. Open temporary files and select items like Delivery Optimization and Windows Update Cleanup. Confirm deletion, these free big space. For system-level cleanup, run Disk Cleanup, CleanGer, as administrator. Choose Cleanup System files to remove old Windows installations. If apps consume space, open Apps right arrow Installed Apps and sort by size. Uninstall or move them to an external drive. Make sure finish by emptying the recycle bin and then restarting your PC so Windows reclaims the freed space. This often finalizes cleanup. Make a habit. Configure Storage Sense to run on a schedule or move media to an external drive or cloud to avoid repeated crunches. If storage numbers don't change, run chkdsk/f on the affected drive or use storage diagnostics. Also confirm file permissions. Sometimes protected files prevent deletion. If problems persist, restore.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.